Alright, welcome to another episode of Asia Unscripted. So, we are here in Metro Manila. We got here a little bit earlier. One of the first things I noticed for our Canadian friends, Tim Hortons. I think that is pretty new to the Philippines. I think they're famous for their coffee. Pretty sure of that anyways. So for our Canadian friends, there is something nice here. The reason I came down this way, I wanted to give you guys a video. We'll go this way. A lot of traffic in Manila. Of the Venice Canal Mall. So basically what they're trying to do is trying to rip off the Venice Mall in Vegas, I believe. So if you look over here, just like we have in Cebu, they have Denny's in Manila 24 hours a day. In the Philippines, Denny's is very, very expensive, not cheap at all. So we're gonna go through here past security, and then take a look. So just like that mall in Vegas, they got a little canal here. You can get on a boat. I'm not sure what the cost of it is, but it's probably a lot cheaper than in Las Vegas for sure. So let's take a walk. Let's take a walk and see what's in this mall. Oh, well, before we do that, we got some friends over there, some Joker friends. Very nice. I love Venice. Very cool. Manila, Philippines. Some of the restaurants in this mall. This mall, I believe, is owned by Mega World. I did a video in Iloilo for you guys of Mega World's Festive Walk Mall. I believe this is one of their Philippine branches. Oh, Beijing duck and dumplings. Beijing duck is, I've tried it, it's okay, but a lot of Chinese people, they really love Beijing duck. Modern Shanghai. Some Western food for our friends. TGI Fridays. Another really expensive place to eat, but that's okay. As with most malls in the Philippines, we got a Cineplex. It looks like they have a screen called the Ultra. So that's probably a big upgraded screen. Oh, it looks like they have a church in here, a church within the mall. That's becoming quite common here. The new mall right by my place in Cebu, they have a chapel in there. The first chapel in IT Park. So it's becoming more and more common apparently. Let's go down to the canal. Let's check out what's going on down here. Let's take a look at get a close-up of one of the boats. So I'll find out for you guys how much it is to ride on one of these things, or maybe they'll let me paddle for free. I don't know. We'll see. Kind of romantic. All right, let's move on. A lot of upscale restaurants in this mall. I'm not sure if you're gonna find a Jollibee or a McDonald's, but I could be wrong. Often I am. Looks like a good picture opportunity on that bridge. Look at that. Up there. I don't know if you guys can see. Taco Bell coming soon. Everybody's waiting for the little boat to go under the bridge. So right above the mall up there, you guys see some condos. So I bet those are pretty expensive if you have a view right on into the mall. That's not going to be cheap at all. Not at all. Let's go over the bridge and hopefully the bridge won't collapse. This is selfie hell, apparently. Oh, so we got pigeon feeding, apparently. I wonder what that's about. For our friend Gio, if you're watching, a slice of Italy just for you. Oh, look at that. Very interesting.
Huh?
Very nice. Up above, there's a Dairy Queen up there, kind of hidden by the pillars. Yellow Cat Pizza. Some sandwich joint. Huh. Never seen this one before. But I like sandwiches, so I might check that out. Let's see what kind of sandwiches they have. Wow. You guys can just freeze frame if you want. You can see the prices, see what's offered. Very nice. Alright, so this is just a simple overview of the mall. I'm not going to take you guys through the whole thing. So anyways, thank you for joining me again on another episode of Asia Unscripted, and I will see you guys next time.